and I'm gonna just put this on the screen, where we want to do the same if else statements but make it a little bit shorter. This is just something within Python, and we're showing this here just to have as a tool within the tool belt. You can write if else statements in a single line instead of going down the block approach. So here what I'm doing is I'm simply setting a string and saying set this string to this value if x is less than y, otherwise set that string to this value. You can legitimately do this within Python, almost like a shorthand. And if I was to explain what this is actually doing, what this is saying is if x less than y, right, we want to set st equals to this. So this is just let me write this in the long form of what we've just seen in the short form. All right, and then we can go ahead and say else, and the else condition would be setting that value to this. All right, so it's setting st equals that. So what we've seen here is basically something that can be written as this. So you can decide, do you want to write this short form or this form? For some people it's more readable, for some they prefer to do this if they just want to do a quick setting of a quick variable with if else. Perfectly legitimate to do that. Now in the last piece of this concept, we're going to look at the idea